Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to download and install HP Scanjet 200 scanner driver for Windows 11. After watching this video, you can do it very easily. So stay tuned. Firstly, you will connect the power cable with your scanner. Next, we will search the driver in the browser and we will scroll down and select this one and click here and scroll down this one. This is a scanner driver. We will click on the download and you will see here downloading the driver. After completing driver, we will click folder and click on the driver name and OK. It will be installed. Next, click check mark and next again. If you want shortcut icon on the desktop, you will select first one and next. And if not, you will select this one and next. Installation complete. We will click start button and this one is a scanner. So we will click here and it will run and scan the document. If you want pin the scanner on the taskbar, you will click start and all and scroll down, select the driver, right click, more and pin to taskbar. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.